Hi, Peter Robertson here from William Porches Properties. Just giving a quick recap of 2018 as we barrel into Christmas, which is just around the corner. Okay, let's start at the beginning of the year. The summer of actually 17 to 18 was a very positive, very buoyant market. It was probably the busiest and most active market that we've seen in the western suburbs for some time. That market was great. It was filled with positivity, and we were very frantically running around selling lots of properties for our clients. We always have a bit of a seasonal lull as we go through into the end of the financial year and the depths of winter. And this year was no exception. We saw definitely that downturn as we approached the end of financial year. What we did see though was that it was a bit of an extended winter. The marketplace stayed a bit more subdued and for a bit longer than it has done in previous years. And I think there was a little bit of uncertainty with what was going on in the news from a global perspective and also a national perspective. As we came into spring, we normally expect to see a lot more properties come to the market in spring, and the spring market to really take off out of the starting blocks with a little bit of vigor. This year, it was a bit delayed. So we saw a distinct delay in that increase in market activity, probably by about a month. But then we did have a very good spring season, and the marketplace showed tentative signs of positivity. The view going forwards from the buyers that we're talking to and engaging with on a daily basis is that the short-term future has some uncertainty, but the medium to long-term future in Western Australia, and for Perth in particular, is pretty positive. So we had it ended up being a great spring season, and then we got closer and closer to Christmas, and when we kicked into December this year, we had a lot of momentum from the spring selling season. And we sold lots of properties, we're settling lots of properties, but the fresh inquiry from buyers certainly started to slow down after the first week in December. And we're sitting here as we record this in about the middle of December with Christmas break just literally around the corner. So we're still busy, we're still engaging with our customer base of buyers, and we still have some fabulous properties and some fantastic buying opportunities out there. But we are going flat chat to the end of next week, and then I think everybody in our office and in our team is looking forward to having a couple of weeks off for that Christmas period. Our office and our sales team will still be around. We never stop. We are real estate agents. It's a 24/7 profession, but we are expecting to have and see again that seasonal lull. The seasonal lull we see in the end of financial year is also repeated as we go between Christmas and New Year very broadly. The multi-million dollar question on everybody's lips is what's going to happen is as we kick into summer of 2019 and as the year comes back in probably late January come February, and which way the weather vane of the marketplace is pointing. So we need to go forwards into that space with positivity and energy and a buoyant expectation, and we will discover what that market brings. But for now, I just wanted to give that short recap of the year and say thank you to all of our customers for their business and for entrusting us with the sale and the management of their properties, and wish you a safe, prosperous and fun-filled and relaxing Christmas and New Year break. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in 2019.